I'm happy with the portfolios that have been allotted to me. And as I said sometime back, for example, environment. I was the environment minister 10, 12 years ago.
Yeah, correct.
So I've lost touch, number one. Number two, rules have changed, laws have changed from then to now. So give me some time. No? I will definitely have review meetings with all these departments. I've never been anywhere near captain of ports. I've never been anywhere near law and the judiciary and legislature affairs. So give me some time. I will study that and I will give you an opportunity. I don't understand what you mean by charge.
Oh, of course.
Normally, you see, we are in a government office. You ask these engineers here, when they take charge, their predecessor hands over the office and whatever.
Okay.
That is not there. Now, if your definition of charge is what just going and sitting in the cabin, I'll do it on Monday. Because I think the portfolios I have are a handful in themselves.
But PWD portfolio was not a heavy portfolio?
Too heavy.
Too heavy? In what ways?
In the weight. See
Good
the
or-
budget of PWD.
No, good or bad?
What?
Good or bad?
Everything is good. Everything is good.